Hey guys, this is Raj Singh from Get Fit with Raj. I hope you're all well. Hope you're getting into the groove of 2020. No, it's only a couple of days gone, but you know, let's get our goals for the year. Today is a different video. I'm just going to talk about what I'm going to be eating tonight and the dietary change in my lifestyle. So as you may have known from a previous video that I've uploaded, I have now gone pescatarian. So I've taken all meat out of my diet. I'm vegetarian that eats egg and fish. So I'm at a stage in my life now where I have been thinking for the last 6 to 8 months that I was going to take meat out of my diet. I had an episode 7 weeks ago where I had some food and it was meat related, and I was ill for the following week. So that's kind of tipped me over the edge, but I was thinking about it. It's nothing that anyone's influenced me or any programs that's influenced me. I've just listened to my body, just the intake of food, what I think I should be eating, what I shouldn't be eating. Parsley, oregano, no it's not oregano, it's oregano, and basil. Not forgetting some black pepper. So what I'm going to do now, put on the gas, let it heat a little. Splash of olive oil, open the windows, don't want it to smell. Right, bit more olive oil. So yeah guys, me going pescatarian, I don't miss meat at all, to be honest. I'm surrounded by meat eaters in my family. They've been very supportive, to be honest. Why shouldn't they? I do still make meat at home because my wife eats meat and my family eat meat, so I'm not going to be one of those people who say you can't eat meat in my house, because each to their own. Yeah, I do predominantly have a fish diet, so hence I'm a pescatarian. Yeah, something that's working well for me, and to be honest, I had a tennis elbow injury in last May, which was stopping me going to the gym. But to be honest, the inflammation has gone down since I've become a pescatarian, so that's good news. And I think it's all mental as well, as the change in my diet. Mentally I'm up for it, so it's working well. What I've done now is I've just put in some spring onion. A bit of low heat. Saute those off for around 30 to 45 seconds. Whilst those sauteing off, get a spoonful of salt. From the door. You want the whole house to smell. Yeah, so they're sauteing through well. Now I'll add my garlic. I'll add a bit of garlic now. Half the garlic now. So I've just used 6 garlic cloves. I love garlic, so I'll add half the garlic now, and then once the sauce is in, I'll add the garlic again. This is just a sauce I'm creating, and then I will poach the fish in the sauce. So guys, yes, if you are liking my video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. If you can watch to the end, it's great. If you want to scroll through the video, feel free. If you can just please support my channel. Health and fitness, I think, is key. Healthy body, healthy mind. Healthy food, healthy body, healthy mind. So yeah, it's working well. Let that go. We're going to add a slight bit of salt. So only like basically 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. This will help the garlic and the spring onion to cook a little faster. From here, add in yolk. So we half of it first. And salt. Let's add in some basil. Some oregano. If you want to call it oregano, you can. We'll buy some cayenne pepper. Need to buy some more. I have some paprika. Again, I need to buy some more. And some chili powder. A little bit. Put that in. Stir that through. Smells so good. Right. I have some chili flakes. So guys, again, it's all to taste. I'm not going to put too much in. Don't want to spoil the flavour of the food. And some pepper. Good amount of pepper. So always at this stage now, I will taste. Yeah, it's good. Now I'll just put in a little bit more salt. A little bit more salt. There we go. Still got a bit of oat cream in here, so what I'm going to do is just put some water in there, give it a good mix so it doesn't waste. So I need to poach the fish in this creamy sauce. I'll just use that all. There we go. It's done. Let's cook through slowly for another, say, couple of minutes. You can see now, the sauce is now coming to a nice little boil, almost ready now to put in the fish. But before I do that, I'm going to cut up some, off camera I think, just cutting up some pepper. The taste of this is so good. Something that I think you should try if you've really tried it, guys. Feel free to comment below. Also, if you think there's anything else I can do different to this recipe to make it more flavoursome, or what you've tried and you think a great pescatarian recipe is, doesn't have to be fish, anything.
egg paste, any vegan recipes, any veggie recipes, feel free guys. So, peppers going in, and along with the peppers, get rid of this waste, is the rest of the garlic. So I sauteed the other 3 cloves with the spring onions, and now I'm just going to add this into the sauce so it just blends in. So you're going over with that. Give that, say, 1.5 minutes. I only want the peppers just to soften slightly. It's nice when there's a bit of a crunch with the peppers, because the rest of this fish is soft. The wedges, it's a bit creamy. Need a bit of crunch. This sauce is now ready for the fish to go in. Before I put the fish in, I'm just going to squeeze a bit of lemon into the sauce. Now slowly add in the fish. That's 1. That's 2. And the last one is 3. So I'm just going to let that now coach in there, and I will be turning it around. Well, this has been going now for about 1.5 minutes. What I'm just basting the fish with the sauce. It's just to go through. Some peppers on top. 3 minutes, and we'll be turning over the fish. So that's 3 minutes. So I'm just going to flip over the fish. Breaking. That's 1. Second one. And that's the 3rd one. Yeah. Fish has been done. How do I know? I'm just going through it. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, perfect. So guys, that is my dish, pescatarian fish dish. I will put the recipe in my comments below, in my description. Again, now it's just time to plate up. So if you do like my content, guys, if you do like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And any comments below, any feedback, anything you think I could do better, or any recipes that you've done which is similar but you've tweaked, or you do it in a different way, please comment below. And have an amazing 2020. Get fit with Madge.